Welcome to Straight Up Math, a channel where I deliver a math concept as simple as possible. If you'd like to try similar problems seen in the video, I've included a link to practice problems in the description below. When you practice, be sure to check your answers. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them in the comments section. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and send me suggestions on other problems you'd like to see.
In this video, we're given a part of a number and we're asked to find what percentage of that number does that part make up. And in this video, I am going to focus on the proportion that says part over whole is equal to the part over the whole. And I'll show you what each one of those parts means here in a second. So we're going to do A up here. And we have 19 is what percent of 492. So the first ratio right here, part over whole, that I'm going to set up is in our problem. So it's 19 is the part, 492 is the whole. So I'm going to put the part 19 over the whole, which is 492. Now this other ratio on the right side, part over whole, this will always be the same. If you're dealing with percentages, it's going to be, in this case, I'm going to just use X, but it's that mystery percentage that we're looking for. That's the part of the 100% that we're dealing with. Now over here it's percentage, over here it's the part and the whole. So what I have is I have the part paired with the part and the whole compared with the whole, and I have this proportion set up that I can now solve. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do the cross multiplication here. All right. So I'm going to go 492 times x, which is 492 times x, is equal to 19 times 100. Well, that's just going to be 1900. And then to solve this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by 492 here, divide by 492 here. And I am going to use my calculator to get us the calculation there. So 1900 divided by 492 equals 3.8617888618. Now this is our answer. This is our percent that we were looking for out of the 100% that this 19 represents out of the 492. Now I am going to round this and just say, we'll round it to the nearest tenth. So we'll say it is 3.9%. All right, let's try B. And I'll try to squeeze it in right here. So leave that work up there. So I have 95 is what percent of 950. So 95 is the part over the whole, which is 950. I'm going to set that equal to my mystery percentage, the percentage that I'm looking for, over the 100%. I'm going to do the cross multiplication. I'm not going to draw the hoops on this one, but 950 times x is 950x. And then 95 times 100, that's 9,500. And all I did is I just put two zeros right behind the 95. And then I am going to divide both sides by 950. Divide by 950. And I have an x of 9,500 divided by 950. And that's equal to 10. And so that was a nice one. Didn't have to round that at all. So that's 10%. And so I am going to erase my work up here and show C up here, and then we'll be done with this video. So let's put C right here, and we have 22 is my part, is what percent of 328. So 328 is my whole, equal to the mystery percentage that we're looking for over the 100%. And again, 22 represents the part over here on the left. This x, this mystery percentage, represents the part over here on my right. 328 represents the 100% over here on the left. The 100% represents the 100% over here on the right. And that's how this proportion works. Everything lines up. So let's do the cross multiplication. 328x is equal to 22 times 100 is 2200. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 328. Divide by 328. And we have x is equal to, gotta type that in my calculator really quick. And I'm getting 6.7073177073. And we will round that off to the nearest tenth, which is 6.7%. And that's it.
Visit our website to practice more problems like the ones you saw in the video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.